Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your Facebook name on your iPhone device. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write your comments. Let's get started. To do that, we go to Facebook. On the home page in the lower right-hand corner, we click on the menu function. Next, in the upper right corner, we click on the gear to go to Facebook settings. Here we need to go to the Meta Account Center. Okay, great. Next, we see that we have a Profiles section. So we click on that. And this is where we can see all of our profiles. I've got 2 Facebook profiles and I've got Instagram linked to them. So in order for you to change Facebook, you just have to select the profile you want to change the name on and click on it. Then we see a line called Name. Click on it. And as you can see here, you can change your name. Or add a second name, and also change your last name if you are married, divorced, or for some other reason you want to make these changes. After you make the changes your name, click on Done. And then we will need to confirm this action in order to move on to the next step. At the next step, Facebook will ask you to enter your Facebook password or confirm that it's really you by using the code from the SMS or some other way. Once you've done that, your Facebook name will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned how to change your Facebook name on iPhone. Subscribe to the channel, give your likes, write your comments. See you later.